Okay guys, so we got a quite a bit of language barrier over here. So this patient over here, you had a severe low back pain, a sciatica going on your right leg. This happened on 2 days ago while trying to lift a 35-pound heavy box, correct? Okay, so we're gonna take a closer look, see what's going on over there. All right, so can you do me a favor, have it sit over here? Do the best you can. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna make this quick over here because he's in a lot of pain and he has a lot of trouble sitting right now. And based already what I see in the x-rays, he has a potential second sacral segment over here. And also this right hip is sucking down quite a bit. So we're gonna investigate, see what's going on with these two over here. And we do see there's a lot of swelling right over here. So there's a nice big reading right at that level.
Is it?
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a lot of swelling on here. So that confirms that PIX, and yeah, it's stuck this way too. But this, how's this? Yeah, a lot of pain. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's too less. Okay, we're gonna tackle this fellow over here. Okay. All right, come on up.
What?
Okay, all right. Go on your side for me, please.
De lado, por favor. De lado, de lado.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Poco frente.
Okay.
Come a little forward. Do the best you can. All right. I want you to keep this straight. Bend this over here. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Next thing. Come a little closer to the edge. Right there. There you go. A little more. All right. When you're ready, come on up.
Mm-hmm.
Walk. You need a cane?
No, it's okay. It's okay now.
Okay. Tell me, what's different?
Está un poco mejor. Más
It feels better.
Yeah.
Okay, how much better would you say right now?
Del 1 al 10 más o menos cuánto de mejoría tiene. 10 muy bien y 0 casi nada.
El dolor sigue, pero me siento ya sin bastón, pues ya puedo caminar.
Siente mejoría.
Ujú.
De un nivel de 0 a 10 más o menos cuánto.
¿Cómo?
De 0 a 10 cuánto más o menos de mejoría siente.
Digamos la mitad.
50% he feels better.
Okay.
Pain is still there, he just feels overall better.
Good, good. Okay, so here's your homework, okay? We already did a great job, helping you with 50% already. So the key is this, I need you to put ice over here, a cold pack, because it's very swollen over here. 20 minutes every 2 hours. We need to pump all that fluid out of the way. All right? And then we'll see you in the next visit.
Por favor, ¿sí? Yo le explico en el frente, pero hay que ponerse hielo 3 veces al día para bajar la inflamación que está atrás.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you in the next visit, my friend. All right?